Good morning, my dear friends. This is Tomal here. Welcome to PRCUMP. The official website is prccump.org.in. In today's session, we are going to discuss regarding a spelling and grammar check in internet option. Like you're something mailing to someone, and unfortunately or by mistaken, you have typed some words which is not correct. So, if your the spelling and grammar check is activated on, then that can be easily checked out and in the mailing system you will get some suggestion of that particular spelling by which you can check it and correct it, which one is appropriate for your that particular word. Now for in order to activate this one, what you need to do is click on the setting parts. From there, see all settings. Here in that part, in the general tab, if this part is on, like grammar suggestion on, grammar suggestion off, if this particular suggestion is clicked on, then it means that it is off, which means that you will not get any help from the net part for your spelling and grammar checking. But if this is on, then you will get it. So in this way we actually make the checking of whether it's uh, of whether it is done or not, and which helps us to send proper grammar checked phrases or words or sentences. So in this way we do the thing. So this is all about the session. My name is Pamaldas representing PRCUMP. Official website is prccump.org.in. We guys used to provide government registered computer certificate course, maintenance on computers, provide technical courses like C++, PV Java. Um, we also have a placement agency called MAMATA Placement Agency. Um, Services. Number is 8420879158. Email is astamal6@gmail.com. Thank you for being with. Stay for more updates, and if you have any suggestion, then you can call or WhatsApp at that number. Thank you.